My slogan is build, baby, build. Organize, baby, organize. Learn, baby, learn so that you can earn, baby, earn.
I'm Herb Strather, the CEO of Strather Academy, and my purpose is to teach the next generation of developers.
I signed up, and then as a result of that, the first year, I was able to get 3 houses because of the stuff I learned in the class. And it was like a lot of fun. It was more than I thought that I was going to be able to do.
With Strather Academy, I was able to learn the concepts of real estate development, along with apply them through purchasing the 6-unit apartment behind me.
Herb's been doing commercial investment for years, and you know, to get around somebody that has that amount of time of knowledge dealing with commercial investment is definitely a plus.
I invested about approximately $20,000 in properties, and the net worth on that today is worth about $500,000, and did that just in 2 years.
So I'm your coach, Herb Strather. I'm going to see to it that you get there. I'm going to hold your hand from earth to heaven.
See the answer to our problem in riot. So my slogan is not burn, baby, burn. My slogan is build, baby, build. Organize, baby, organize. Learn, baby, learn so that you can earn, baby, earn.